Starting around the 25th of April 2023, genuinely smooth love mixture explicitly is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.7% in especially most recent 1 hour in a genuinely significant manner. SLP has an all-out market cap of $107,962,588 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $11,025,103 incredibly. This by and large makes sort of smooth love mixture kind of positioning at 253 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the very smooth love mixture cost expectation end of 2023, what will exceptionally smooth love elixir explicitly be truly worth in 2023, which in every practical sense is very huge. Is truly smooth love mixture a truly wise speculation or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023, or so they essentially thought? Will SLP cost in a real sense outperform its record-breaking high, or so they in a real sense thought? These by and large are our smooth love mixture cost expectations for SLP's future in an especially enormous manner. Smooth love elixir value expectation 2023, which basically is very huge. As per the smooth love mixture figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the SLP cost by and large is supposed to in a real sense cross a very normal value level of $0. The normal truly least value worth of smooth love elixir toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to be $0. Further showing how is genuinely smooth love elixir an excellent speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023 and in an every way that really matters, enormous way. Besides, SLP can especially arrive at a very greatest value level of $0 in unobtrusive manner. Smooth love elixir value expectation April 2023. Extremely smooth love mixture cost is supposed to in every practical sense reach between $0 April 2023 while the essentially normal cost of SLP for the April sort of stays around $0 every way that really matters. Smooth love elixir value forecast May 2023. The cost for especially smooth love elixir in May 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0, which explicitly is genuinely huge, while the typical exchanging cost ought to basically be around $0 a huge manner. SLP value estimate June 2023. Concerning June 2023, fundamentally smooth love elixir in a real sense is supposed to essentially arrive at, in all things considered, least value worth of $0 a significant manner. The SLP cost could really arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $0, the by and large normal cost around $0 in especially huge manner. Smooth love elixir value gauge July 2023. The especially smooth love mixture cost for July 2023 may basically arrive at a sort of least worth of $0 the in every way that really matters. Most extreme gauge cost is around $0 in unobtrusive manner. The sort of typical cost for SLP sort of is generally anticipated to sort of reach $0 July 2023 in an every practical sense significant way. Smooth love elixir value expectation August 2023. Concerning August 2023, extremely smooth love mixture cost in a real sense is estimate to basically arrive at a flat-out least cost of $0, which generally is genuinely critical. The SLP cost could basically arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $0, the very normal expected cost around $0 in unpretentious manner. Smooth love mixture value expectation September 2023. The cost for pretty smooth love elixir in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0, which really is genuinely huge, while the especially normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0. SLP value conjecture October 2023. The very smooth love mixture figure for October 2023 expects that the SLP may for the most part arrive at an essentially greatest worth of $0, a base cost of around $0 in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Discussing the especially normal value SLP can especially stretch around $0 October in a sort of significant manner. SLP value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023 the cost of kind of smooth love mixture especially is determined to especially be at around a sort of least worth of $0, in spite of prevalent thinking. The exceptionally smooth love mixture value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at a limit of $0, the truly normal exchanging worth of $0 USD in a very enormous way. SLP value conjecture December 2023. The exceptionally smooth love mixture figure for December 2023 expects that the SLP may especially arrive at a greatest worth of $0, a base cost of around $0, showing that sort of smooth love elixir value expectation April 2023. Sort of smooth love mixture cost certainly is supposed to truly reach between $0 April 2023 while the extremely normal cost of SLP for the April generally remains around $0 smooth love mixture value expectation May 2023. 2023. The cost for Smooth Love Elixir in May 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0 in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Discussing the truly normal value SLP can really stretch around $0 December, or so they most certainly thought. Smooth Love Elixir extremely past value examination in the precise beyond 24 hours. The crypto fundamentally has been generally diminished by 2.71% in its by and large current worth, or so they explicitly thought. On the off chance that we in every practical sense look at the essentially current market cap of the SLP with yesterday, you can generally see that the market cap in every way that really matters is likewise down in a genuinely huge way. Smooth Love Elixir in every practical sense is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The SLP sort of is down to nearly 14.62% in the absolute most recent 7 days, or so they thought. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for past truly couple of days. The coin could really have sort major areas of strength for of in any case. We don't sort of figure that it would a beneficial resource and kind of momentary in a sort of huge manner. Inside the fundamentally most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP in a real sense diminished by 15.289%, killing an incredible essentially normal amount of $0 its ongoing worth. This unexpected down really implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a sort of good for the most part purchase a potential open door for certainly fast venture, or so they generally thought. The 90 days cost change is around 19.41%, and the cost truly circled from a truly least truly normal cost of $0 genuinely greatest exceptionally normal cost of $0 the sort of beyond 90 day, which is genuinely critical. In most recent 4 months genuinely Smooth Love Elixir for the most part has shown a developing pattern, so inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP really diminished by 15.289%. Dispensing with an astounding genuinely normal amount of $0 it's in every practical sense, current worth, or so they generally thought. Hence, we especially believe that comparable pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period, which sort of is very huge, as per the practically the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of sort of Smooth Love Elixir is expanded from 4 months, which sort of is very huge. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The coin by and large is up by 3.38% with the genuinely greatest in every practical sense. Normal cost of the coin was around $0. The truly least sort of typical cost of for the most part was around $0 truly beyond 4 months. Smooth Love Mixture Value Estimate 2023 FAQs. What will truly be truly Smooth Love Elixir exceptionally worth in 2023 in an essentially significant manner? The SLP cost in every practical sense is estimated to for the most part arrive at a truly greatest degree of $0 sort of least cost of $0 the finish of 2023. Does Smooth Love Elixir fundamentally have a future, which generally is genuinely huge? As far as cost, beautiful Smooth Love Mixture has an extraordinary truly potential to arrive at new levels incredibly especially. It in a real sense is figure that SLP will increment in esteem, as indicated